In Dragon Age 2, Flemeth said, "We stand upon the precipice of change. The world fears the inevitable plummet into the abyss. Watch for that moment, and when it comes, do not hesitate to leap. It is only when you fall you can learn whether you can fly." Hey, I'm Matt Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where we use the lessons and stories from geek and gaming culture to help us play life better. And if you're not willing to take the plunge, you're never going to get off the ground. Don't be afraid of failure. Failure is just another step on your path to success. If you aren't failing now and then you're probably not trying hard enough. We live in an age where risk-taking is frowned upon. We're encouraged to play it safe, keep our heads down, and just get by. But if you don't get out there and take risks, you won't grow as an individual, or we won't grow as a society. We need people who are willing to take chances, who are willing to fail spectacularly, so that they and we as a human race can succeed later on down the road. I've always admired people who weren't afraid of taking risks, and I've often felt like a bit of a coward in some respect, someone who kept their head down and just went about on my business, making my way through life. But now, through my life experiences, I feel encouraged to make mistakes, and I make a lot of them, so that when I do succeed, it will be all the sweeter. Failure is not something to be ashamed of. Rather, it should be celebrated as an important step on that road to success. Many great inventions and discoveries have come from what were originally perceived as failures, and it's only through trial and error that we can actually hope to achieve any sort of greatness. I remember one of my jobs in college. I was working as a sales associate at a clothing store, and I was so excited to be doing something different, not working in the food industry anymore. But a few months in, I realized that it just wasn't what I wanted to do with my life. And not to mention that I had horrible fashion sense, and I still kind of do. It was a difficult decision, but eventually I quit, and I took some time to figure out more of what I wanted to do. And if I hadn't taken that risk working in that industry that I wasn't comfortable in, who knows where I would be now? I'd probably still be, making Subway sandwiches. And instead, it gave me more of an understanding of what I do and don't want in my life. And it gave me more opportunities to find my passion, which is teaching and entertaining and being an entrepreneur. It highlighted a better path for me to take. So when something bad happens, when you make a mistake or have a bad day at work or lose a game, don't beat yourself up over it. Every failure can teach you something about yourself and how you can improve your life and continue to move forward. So use that momentum that comes. And when everything seems hopeless and defeat seems inevitable, don't hesitate. Gear up as good as you can and take that leap of faith into the unknown. Good luck, have fun. Peace. Blink, blink.